guys, it's me, Blossom AJ again. So, right now, we're at a giveaway. This jammer is giving away a spiked wristband, a rare fox hat, a kit pillow, and a gecko plushie. So, usually, these are scams, especially if you get something such good, including a spiked wristband. So, we're just gonna wait and see what happens. Just arrived in the den, and we're just here waiting. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask her about this. So right now she's just doing her thing. Let's see. I'm gonna ask, is this trust? Because trust rating is against the rules, and you just shouldn't do it. I buddied her just in case because you never know. She didn't seem why? So she didn't seem to acknowledge that I asked her if this is a trust trade, so this isn't going to be well. Let me ask her again. Someone says it is a scam, and I can agree. I'm gonna ask her once again. Probably trust, most likely. And if it's gonna be trust cheating, I'm not participating because doing that would not be good. Guys, go sub to Kitty Cat. I'm just gonna wait until something actually happens, okay, guys? Okay, so apparently I was right. This is trust trade. So it says you accept, then accept again, and decline before I do anything. I can tell it's not safe at all. So this is supposed to be flash trade. Okay, so she's gonna lock the people who aren't her buddy, okay? She said we don't have to trade much. So I'm gonna just go ahead and yeehaw. I'm just gonna trade safe, okay? Let's see, a wreath. Let's give her a wreath. I don't really like my wreath. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this, and then when she says yes, I'll decline. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit better. Let's try an angel helmet. I was about to accept it. No, that wouldn't be good. I'm gonna trade her my worn okay, let's try that and a pirate sword. I'll get back to you guys when the drama happens. Nothing really happened. Oh. Okay. Well, there we go. We just caught a scammer. Okay, guys, so a while after this happened, the eagle came into my den and told me that she got scammed. And there was no accepting included, so I was kind of confused. And she told me that she traded a black long wrist and declined, but she said that somehow maybe it was like hacks. It still gave the scammer the wristband, so she said that she just received the necklace, so please report this person.